guys, it's me Isaiah, and today we are reading more Dogman. Yeah, I know. Chapter 7, Big Fight by George and Harold. Soon things began to get out of control. He was having everybody with his birthday. Everybody was born, and his spell was born. He rocked your man. Dogman stood on top near my brother watching. And pulled underneath him. And quickly he reached in his shirt and pulled out his favorite bone. Dogman tied a string to his bone and gave it a toss. Dogman gave the string a tug and then, well, look who finally showed up. I suppose you want to fight. Well, why should we spend our fighting when it feels so much better to walk? Hey, where'd he go? Suddenly, hey, how'd you get over there? You let go that controller right now. No, that is not a ball. No, that's a sound indicator. But freeze up, hey, triple, flip over. Wow, these fans never get old. Really? Are you okay? Yeah, I guess so. Hey, I want to marry you. What is so hard? Now wait just a minute. I guess you know me. But let's be responsible. Sorry, losers. It looks like my jail is the only place I'm safe. Freddie, you're alive. You've come back to me. My prayers have been answered. Cause you are the wind beneath my wings. No! What? Chapter 8, Flat Cat Fever. Meanwhile, back in town, sensation was still high. Dogman would not let go of the ball. Sarah tried to convince him to drop the ball. Dogman Zulu tried to. What? Even Chief tried to make Dogman listen to reason. Doggy, that crazy dog-eared calf is never gonna let go. Watch me. I have a plan. Come on, Dr. Boogie, Fever. What are you doing here? You'll see. Give me that can of living spray. You. It's alive. Alright, listen up, Book. From now on, you have to obey me. And I want you to shut up and let's go. Yeah. Sorry up, Bears, Dogman. We're going to get you. Whoa, get off. I'll get off here. Purple cheesy enemies and technology. Jurassic Park. It looked like this was the end of our document. Everyone was terrified, but then Suzu got an idea. What are you doing in my purse, Suzu? Suzu, you're a genius. Chief, you gotta tell him. Dogman, it's bones. It's bones. Skeletons are made out of bones. When Dogman realized the truth, he stopped being afraid. He loved bones, so he just did what came naturally. Triple tickle. I know that's not a word. Oh, maybe it is, but it is a word. Hey! Warning. After may undo the effects of the face spray. Oh well, at least I got the treasure chest. Hey, Buck. Guess what time it is? It's time to start spending some of this moolah. Not so fast. Chapter 9. The Mysterious Stranger Returns. And look, some old dudes are fighting. Let's watch. You're not going anywhere. That treasure just belongs to me. Oh yeah? Who are you? Who I am is not important. The important thing is what I can do. The mysterious stranger uses his mind powers to pick up a phone booth. What's a phone booth? It's me. The mysterious stranger then levitated a stack of newspapers. What's a newspaper? It's me. Next, he grabbed a mailbox. What's a mailbox? It's me. And then he grabbed some other stuff with his brain. What's a fax machine? It's me. What's a VCR? It's me. And what's an Apple Watch? It's me. Things were beginning to seem hopeless until Zuzu came up with a plan. Zuzu, no! Hey, that's my lunch table. And this overcoat looks familiar too. Property of Chief. And somebody's got a lot of explaining to do. Flippy? Why, Flippy? Why? What I'd like to know is how. Wow. I'll tell you. Earlier today, I was minding my own business when I heard a loud sound. All of my little sounds that were in my brain to think like never before. I became aware of forces beyond my own. Soon I found that I could roll things with my mind. I could make stuff and do my will. I could talk, I could walk, and I could even pass her. I could even pass thankfully, he took off the motorboat. It went up that mountain over there. Yeah. I'll get your flat pay. It's the last thing I do. Come on, gang. Let's fold them in my popcorn. Thank goodness for these snow tires. Soon they reached the top of the mountain. Hey, you guys missed all the fun. Poor little Flippy. He was so excited he forgot all about how water freezes up here. Yeah, that's it. Yes. I just love frozen fish. Looks like we won, but baby, why did I man? Anyway, I did all of the work. I didn't share my treasure with you, but what is last bit of Superman? Our Bubby raised the book and read every page. I've just discovered how I can and live forever. All I need to do is concentrate. Webby on his mind and focus deeper and deeper. He concentrated. And soon Webby's soul was transformed into pure energy. It worked. But I lost that quickly. According to that book, I only got 2 minutes to transform my soul into somebody else. Then I just snatched and wanted to live forever. I think I'll snatch G-Fun. Alright. Oh, G-Fun! Go ahead and try. You can't outrun a ball of pure energy. When Dogman heard the word ball, he stopped being afraid and just did what came naturally. You ready or not, Chief? Here I come. I'm coming to get ya. Alright, let go of my dog, man. I'm not a toy for you to play with. Drop right now. My time is running out. And suddenly, Flippy's soul began to get smaller. I'm melting and smaller. Melting and smaller. And smaller. And soon he was no more. Good boy, Dogman. Okay, guys, this is the last chapter. So, it's been 13 minutes, and I'm already catching a break. So, bye bye.